All right, we have all made it to the last week of the mini-mester. And this one's a really short week. It's literally just one day, and then the semester's over. So on Monday the 6th, that is our exam. It's called a final exam, but it's just a regular exam. It's not worth any more points, and it's actually worth less material than most of these. So it's just going to be on plant structure and organization. There was a part 1 and a part 2 lecture that you should have watched last week. So it's on that material. It's going to be open all day, so midnight until 11:59 p.m. All day on Monday. If it's possible, and I understand if it's not, if you work, but if it's possible, if you can take that exam earlier during the day, I'm going to be on campus until like 8 p.m. at least, probably. I've got a night class on campus. So if you'll take it early, what that means is if you have any issues, if like it freezes, hopefully it won't happen. This run pretty smoothly so far. But if something did come up, you can send me a message and I'll probably catch it before I leave for the day and we can get it sorted out that day. All right. If something were to happen, let me know as soon as possible because grades are due on Wednesday, like really early Wednesday. So if there are any hiccups or any issues, we got to get that sorted out really quickly because I've got to post grades pretty soon after this final. All right. Hopefully that won't be a problem though. So take that on Monday. Let's see. And then there were a couple other assignments that I talked about last week. And if you've done them already, most of you have already, then you're fine. But if not, just make sure that you complete the discussion board. So there's a discussion board on carnivorous plants. And then there's also a end of semester survey. You can go to the quizzes tab to find that. And that's worth 5 bonus points. Those points can make a difference at the end of the semester. I mentioned this last time, but if you take the test and let's say you're shooting for a B and your grade is like 79.8, and I would round that up to a B. If you're like, good, I'm done, and then you just like don't finish the other assignments. If you don't do that discussion board, I'm going to have to put a 0 in, and that can make your grade go back down. So don't think that those grades are important. A lot of times they can be the difference between one letter grade and another. Just complete everything. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. But really, short week, just the test on Monday, and then make sure that you finished up everything else. All right, thanks, and let me know if you need anything.